Craving something cheesy, crispy, and quick? This chicken quesadilla hits every spot. 2 cups cooked shredded chicken, 1 cup shredded cheese, half a cup chopped onions and bell peppers, 1 teaspoon taco seasoning, tortillas and oil. Heat a little oil in a pan. Add onions and bell peppers, sauté until soft. Toss in your chicken and taco seasoning. Mix it well and let it cook for 2 to 3 minutes until everything's sizzling and flavorful. Now grab a tortilla. Sprinkle cheese on 1/2, layer your chicken mix, then more cheese. Fold it over like a cheesy taco. Repeat for more. Place it on a dry skillet over medium heat. Cook each side 2 to 3 minutes until golden brown and the cheese melts. Press gently with a spatula for extra crisp. Slice it up and serve with salsa, sour cream, or guac. Perfect for lunch, dinner, or midnight cravings. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more quick meals.